is.
It's snowing. Is it snowing?
Yeah. Snowman.
You want to build a snowman?
Yeah.
Okay, we can build a snowman. Layla, come on, let's walk to the park. Look at the street.
Mama, we're at the street.
Seattle snow so far 2-3 years in a row. Usually is the second or third month of February, and this is amazing. Look how pretty it is in the back. Right there. Parker, say hello to the camera.
Hello, Mama.
We could do that. You want to build a snowman together?
No, but what is this? Mama, over here.
Hi, handsome. Look at that snow.
I'm to go outside.
Come on.
Wow.
Wow. I know. So many snow. What a beautiful snow day. Unfortunately, the snow has ended.
This is a barbecue.
It is. What happened to our barbecue?
Oh no, what happened to your barbecue?
Are you stuck in the snow? Tata, are you stuck in the snow? Let me see for Jia one more time. One more time, one more time. Oh, one more time, one more time. Oh, oh my goodness, what happened? Can you take a picture with Snowman, please? Aya. Hi, handsome.
Hey, Mama.
Hi, handsome. Aya, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh no. I make a snowman. You want to see a snowman?
Yeah.
Come here. I show you snowman, okay? That's a snowman. Look. Would you like to find a stick and put the snowman has no nose?
No.
Let's go find nose for snowman. Come on. Come on, let's go find the nose for snowman. Okay? Let's go right here. Let's go. This is the nose. This is the hand. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go give snowman hands. Okay. Where's the hand? Good job. Here. Snowman hand. The other hand, please. Oh, yay. Where's the nose? Where's the nose? Oh, that's the eyes. That's good. This is the nose. Let's go find snowman's eyes. Let's find eyes for snowman. Come here. Snowman needs eyes. Come on.
Did you find a mouse?
We will find a mouse.